Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to fix the credentials supplied are not sufficient to access this printer. To start, in the search box, enter Control. Click on User Accounts. After this, click on Manage Your Credentials. After that, click on Windows Credentials. When accessing this option, click on Add a Windows Credential. Now you are going to enter the access credentials to the printer. Click on OK, and with this, you will now have access without error. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.